Hey everyone, Delphi Group here with our usual weekly trading and UOA recap. Yeah, it's been just an amazing week for us in the community. And if we go to our community here, again, in the Delphi Room where we do all of our stuff, where we post our trades, analysis, charts, day trades, crypto, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so before we get to how we did this week, let's just look at a couple of the things we offer here. And again, all these channels and different things that we offer to our community. Okay, we can see here we're in our Delphi Signal Trades channel here in our Discord channel. And again, this is where we post all the trades that come off of our amazing Delphi signal that is just been incredible for over 2 years now. And you can see how we do this. We still have an open trade on DraftKings. We already took some profits. But when we take a trade off the signal, okay, we post everything here so you can see DraftKings, the current price, what our target is. These are calls, the option that we're taking and what we're doing, and then our different taking profit targets, and again, most importantly, our stop loss. Okay. On top of that, we put out a video of the analysis and trading strategy on the trade. And then we update it so you can see here we took profits at 213, moved our stop up and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the Delphi signal trade. Leviathan's in here posting out banger day trades for the community here. Very quick trades in and out for the same day. Guy is just incredible. Our non-signal trades, again, this is where we post all our trades that are not related to the Delphi signal. Okay, so like UOA, which we'll get to, maybe crypto bullish thesis that we've had now recently, charts, maybe some trades off of some charts that we see, and stuff like that. Okay, and then moving down, we have our UOA channel, which we'll get to. Our Delphi charts channel, again, this is where we post all our amazing analysis on all kinds of things. And then when we get into crypto trading, Leviathan in here is just continues to post just explosive rocket ship trades. I mean, nonstop winners. He's just simply incredible. And he's also doing futures here. Again, nothing but winners that we're posting here. Okay. And then we do have a channel here that we keep our members current on for our open trades. We're not going to show that because it's not fair to them, but this is where we keep all of our current positions in right now. Okay, so now if we get to the week in review, you can see here we just again had another monster trading week. A lot of this UOA, other stuff, crypto, and off the Delphi signal here, you can see we have the one trade. We already took some profits. We're still in this trade that we showed you guys. So very confident we're going to close that out Monday or Tuesday for profits. But overall for the week, I mean, no words what we did here this week. Simply incredible. Almost 6% off the total portfolio. 82% win rate. That is just simply off the charts, going 23-5. I mean, this profit factor, when you get a profit factor of 2, that's very good. This is like 7 or 8 times that. And again, our day win percent is 4-1. So we just continue to crush it here. And all it is the analysis that we do, the Delphi signal that we have, the UOA channel that we have, which has just been simply incredible. Okay, and you can see some of these trades here that we had that we're going to get into. I mean, these were trades off the UOA, coin and MicroStrategy. Look at those profits that we cashed out for there. I mean, simply incredible. 260%, 234%. I mean, SPY we had a trade on off some UOA, 175% cashed out there. Another coin trade here, 85%. Okay, so, and then looking at some other ones, some other UOAs that we'll talk about. Rgti, that was just an incredible UOA hit that took place in ROIV. almost 250%. Simply incredible. We cashed out that explosion of a trade, again, off of UOA, which we'll show you guys in a minute. Again, to show you guys what we do here, that nobody does what we do here, okay? And again, the UOA channel, just looking at some that these were yesterday. I'm recording this on Saturday morning. MSTR that I just showed you, okay? Coin, 0 DTEs. Again, we got in and out of this, more MSTR, okay, that we followed on these here. You can see these coins they bought, these 340 puts. It's roughly 344. We bought these at 84 cents. And again, we'll show you what those did. Well, we just showed you what those did, but we'll take a closer look at those. But again, this is where we post all our stuff and why we tell you guys nobody does what we do here at Delphi, okay? There are platforms out there that provide the option flow data, which I use, but nobody's parsing it out and posting the relevant ones, okay? Nobody's doing this but us here at Delphi, and we continue to crush day in, day out, week in, week out for the community, okay? So let's look at, again, some of those here. These are the MicroStrategy 0 DTEs that we took. Again, we posted those at 50 cents. We closed them out at $1.95, cashed out there for a nice gain. Okay, again, nobody doing what we do here. Look at these, the coin 0 DTEs. Again, we posted those at 87 cents, took a trade at 90 cents, and then again closed those out at 360. Okay, we'll show you guys what we did there in the chat. So that was a complete rocket ship trade there, and cashed out those at 360 on coin. Okay, and then let's look at ROV. ROV, we had these UOAs come through. Somebody actually bought almost 10,000 of these $15 calls. Look, the stock was under $13. They bought these for 35 cents. We posted a trade in the community. You can see here, this is what we do. All our trades are posted in the community and journalized, which we just showed you. We took a trade following the ROV UOA, 37 cents. And look what those did. Simply incredible. Rocket ship higher. We cashed out at 205. Okay, right at the highs, which is normally what we do. If we get in UOA and a day or two later, they open up way higher, we cash out. We don't wait around. And you can see why, where those closed. Okay, so that was a monster hit for the community. Rgti, no words for this one here. I mean, this is just simply incredible. Someone came in, they bought over 68,000 of these 23 calls for next week. Stock was at 22, $8 million worth. Okay, so of course we jumped on that. You can see here again, posting a trade for the community. Everyone following your 0 DTE and Rgti, $1.05. Well, look at where those went. What an explosion higher. Those got as high as 652 yesterday on Rgti. Okay, that is 5 or 6x on that trade where we cashed out and where those went. So no words there for what we continue to do in the Delphi room. Okay, and if we go back, just to kind of follow up on Rgti, let's look at what our community is doing. Iveta here says, thanks, Delphi agent. I guess I do not need to work today. Look at what she did for Rgti. No words here for Iveta, and this is why we do what we do here. Look at that P&L on that trade. 180% she cashed out for on those Rgti calls. We can see those here. Again, the proof is in the pudding. This is what we're doing here at Delphi for the community. And again, this is why we do what we do here at Delphi. Okay, it's all for the community. It's all for the traders out there. So again, please like, subscribe, get the word out, and keep following us here on Delphi channel. We will put out, again, as always, our Tuesday market report. A lot of things starting to get really juicy in crypto land. We took some crypto profits off again as well this week. but we're still pretty bullish and still long right now in crypto. So that's it from us. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys on Tuesday. Take care.